NASA and the Federal Emergency Management Agency have issued this alert. Please stand by. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. NASA has discovered that the Earth is being pulled towards the Sun, but it will survive. However, temperatures will rise up to the 80s into the early 100s. Be sure to use sunscreen and to stay alert. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. This is a global emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Earlier, NASA has discovered that Earth was being pulled to the Sun. It was believed that Earth would survive, but it turns out Earth is on a collision course with the Sun, and it will end all life on Earth. If you are a religious believer, pray to your higher being. Grab your family and brace for the end. Earth will enter the Sun in 23 hours, 23 minutes and 45 seconds. This is your last day on Earth.